Hey Scouts, I know you're going to do a great job with your adventure card sales. Even though you know that this card has 3 different selling points, I'm going to focus just on the online and app coupons. The coupons are being provided to us by Saver's Guide Entertainment Group. You're selling membership to their online and app coupons. They can access their coupons when they go online or download the app and put the code that's on the back of the card. Everyone has their own code, so as you can see I covered mine so that other people don't get my code. That means that with parent permission, you might want to sell online, and you can just give the code to your customer without ever having to see them in person. Another cool thing is that someone could use it for a vacation because they just have to go onto the website, change their city and state, and then the coupons will start showing up for their area. Since every card has its own identity code on the back, you're not going to want to mix them up, so please be sure to write somebody's name on the back if you've sold it to them. Once your customers log in, they get to see this website with services, online offers, travel, dining, things to do, and here is what it looks like. They can choose these coupons that actually keep renewing. If they expire, they'll put new ones on. So there's a Baja Fresh 20% off your whole bill. It's a great one to try to sell. Be wary of the location. That's the Irvine one. The locations are at the bottom of the coupon listed. I'm pointing right at them, right there. There's some for dry cleaning. Everyone could use that. Dining is a favorite common thing. So scroll in yourself, buy yourself a card, check it out. There's travel, we have flights, cruises, car rentals. They even have a search here. I searched for Ralph's and I got $5 off of $50. Here's another little secret. When you click on these giant margins of pictures that say save on groceries, they'll give you more coupons. And then the same thing here. If you hit save on 50%, you suddenly open up an entirely new tab here of Entertainment Guide's entertainment coupons. We have Disneyland, Universal Studios, Knott's Berry Farm, SeaWorld, Orlando, theme parks, shows. There are movie tickets. There are, we got AMC here and Edwards. And also I see show events, ski resorts. So there's a lot to dig into here. It opens up another whole section when you click on those big images. So dig in. Here are some of the coupons for our area. Recognize any?